Hey everyone, welcome to LUMALABS and Luma AI. So what exactly is it? LUMALABS is a research facility focused on developing AI models. We're looking at a generative AI model called Dream Machine. They also have other 3D model generation tools. They even let us test Dream Machine if we want. They provide the platform, and this page is just an intro. Beyond this, they have other models and tools. Some aren't shown here, like Jenny, if they still maintain it. As you see, Photon lets us create and customize high quality images and models. Truth is, it looks great. And all this is made with AI, huh? Well, it's quite noticeable. And then we have Ray 2. That's what they do, right? So we have the Dream Machine here. Let's see if we can try it out. This is the intro to Dream Machine with all the ideas. We can click start a board, okay? You can make a character or visuals. Let's go with visuals. I'll ask for a close-up of a California car in dark lighting. I can also upload a reference image. It's an image generation tool. It's still pretty much in beta, I have to say. It doesn't even have pricing plans. Well, actually, it does have plans. For $7 a month, we get Ray 2, which is the cool part, right? For $21 a month, we get 10,000 credits and 1080p, and for $66.49 monthly. Annually, it's that, but monthly, it'd be almost $100. Wow. Let's at least look at the image it generated for me. Wow, huh? Oh my god, look. This was done with artificial intelligence. I asked for a dark car from California and it wrote California here. Whoa, check out the quality, right? The generation failed here. Amazing quality, isn't it? The plate shows it's AI, but you've no idea how hard this is. See how it renders the glass and everything? It's mind-blowing, really. Unbelievable. Alright, after this incredible result, let's continue testing Dream Machine. I'm going to ask it to create a phoenix, okay? There it is, see? This tool is basically LUMALABS AI's Dream Machine, right? And honestly, the quality is just incredible. You know? I mean, I'm not exaggerating here. The quality is really, really good, and I wanted to test it. I won't show you how to use it because it's simply generating an image here, inputting an image there, and that's it. I asked for a phoenix, and it made one in low quality, but you see well, maybe the first generations were with the Pro version. Even at low quality, it looks amazing, right? The image is incredible. But look here, I asked it earlier to make a California car, okay? With dark lighting and look. I'm not entirely sold on this one, but the reflections and details are impressive. It turned out amazing. This one's also incredible, but this is literally cover worthy, you know? Maybe you can make a video later, put this frame and add an end frame. Well, perhaps an end frame isn't necessary, right? What action do we want? Well, car. Okay. I'll ask for the camera to slowly pull back while the car is driving. We're using the Ray 2 model 1080p. Not sure if it'll allow 5 seconds. Seems like it will if I hit enter. Oh, upgrade plan. It won't even let me use the flash. Video generation is only for subscribers. Well, we've tested the tool a bit. Honestly, I found it incredible, you know? I was so impressed I wanted to make a video just to show this tool because it's amazing. So there you have it.